If you're looking to start your freelancing career or you're a freelancer already and you want to expand your skill set to meet the high demand in the market, you're in the right place, because in this video, you're going to discover the top 5 high demand freelancing skills in the current market. So most of these skills work hand in hand with each other. For example, you might have one skill. Now, for you to go deep in that skill, to get more knowledge about that skill, you might need to learn another skill, and I'll be sharing all that in this video. So you need to watch to the end of this video because it's going to be an insightful one. I'll be dropping insight every step of the way till the end of this video, so don't miss any part. My name is Charles and I'm passionate about people and businesses. I love to see people and businesses grow, and that's what I do in this channel. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. I create content about online marketing, business, entrepreneurship, make money online and life. If you have any questions or anything, just drop it in the comment section, and also don't forget to like this video. Now, freelancing is a way to make money online. It's more like you're trading your skill for money. You're selling your skill to make money. Now, the question you need to be asking yourself is, this skill I have, is it profitable? Is it in high demand? Are people looking for it? Are businesses looking for it? Maybe companies and all that, are they looking for this skill? And you might need to know that. If you know that, you can now say, okay, I'm going to develop myself. I'm going to go deep and get full knowledge about this skill. And one thing I've noticed is that most of these skills work hand in hand with each other. For you to go deep on a certain skill, you might need to have other skills that would complement that skill. So you might need to understand other skills, and I'll be sharing all these skills in this video. So there's nothing like having so many skills or having too much skills. It's a lie. There's nothing like that. The question is, have you gone deep enough in that skill? Are you giving the same results that the top 10% in your niche or your industry are giving? So that's what you need to ask yourself before building other skills around it. Most of the time, you might not need to give that same result that the top 10 people in your industry are giving. So there is no such thing as too much skills or too many skills and all of that, because you might need to upsell to a particular client, and having another skill would give you the ability to upsell to that same client. Now, the first high demand freelancing skill is video editing. Now, the demand for video content is increasing every day. So does the need for a video editor, a skilled video editor. Now, freelance video editors are currently being sought after by businesses, content creators, by individuals who just need professional video editing services, maybe for marketing purposes, for social media content, for vlogs and all that. So if you're good with aesthetics, you can tell a good story, and you're willing to learn video editing software, or you know how to use video editing software, you can get started with editing videos for people, for content creators, for influencers and all of that. Most of these people don't have time to edit videos. They don't have time to edit videos for their social media. So looking for clients, it's going to be easy for you. There are a lot of people that just want, their videos to be converted to shorts, want their videos to be converted to reels and all of that. So making their videos engaging, making it compelling. You can find videos on YouTube about how to edit video editing software like Premiere Pro. Trust me, Premiere Pro is easy to use. There's nothing hard there. Premiere Pro is not hard. CapCut is not hard. And there are other softwares that you can learn and start editing videos. Now, you might need to play around this thing for a while for you to get used to it. At the first time, you might want to use this software and be like, all this interface, these things are too much. My head cannot carry it, blah, blah. But it's easy once you get started. Once you've edited your first video, your second video, your third video, your fifth video, you understand that this is very easy. I understand that if you just have a simple template, you can use it to edit videos for people. So what you might need to understand is the story of the video you're editing, the story behind that content or that video you're trying to create. Because some clients will just say, okay, create this video, edit this video, and it will be your responsibility to create the story around that video. Well, some other clients would have a story and they would want you to create that same story with the video that they want you to edit. So it's all about having the skill to create stories, the skill to make the content engaging, to make it appealing. If you're creating short videos, if you're editing short videos, if you're editing videos for TikTok, for Instagram, and for YouTube, also that you need to edit that video in a way that the video will be able to hold the attention of the viewer. You need to do certain things, add certain intersections and certain things you need to do. And for you to learn this, you need to watch videos, you need to go on YouTube, watch videos, or watch videos on how to create engaging videos, watch videos on how to use editing softwares, and then play around with it. If you don't watch this, you'll just be creating content that, or editing videos that don't really make sense. For example, if you're editing video for a movie, short movie, it's quite different from editing video for social media. So video editing is one skill that you need to have in this current market, because everybody wants to create content. Influencers, every business nowadays is creating content. So you just need to learn and get the hang of it. Another one, or another skill that is highly sought after, is graphic design. I know this is quite an old skill. I'm like, graphic design is old. Yeah, it's old, but it's still needed. There are a lot of people that need graphic designers, and graphic design works hand in hand with video editing. So if you're a video editor, there is a high possibility that you're a good graphic designer, because there are sometimes you're editing a video and you just want to put in a graphic or some kind of design in the video or some effect. You might just head or rush over to Photoshop and do the edits quickly and then send it back to Premiere Pro and all of that. So from designing logos, banners, infographics, social media posts, graphic designers are still needed. There are some people that pay or that charge up to $200 designing logos. This skill is going to stick with you. Let's say you want to do something, or you're still trying to build your own influence online. You don't need the help of a graphic designer. If you cannot pay for it, you still have the skill, you can use it. These skills are going to stick with you, so it doesn't hurt you if you have them. And if you're trying to sell a particular skill to a client, more like video editing, and the client say, okay, I want this. You can say, okay, yeah, I can do this, or I have a partner that does this, and then you get that job and you still do it. So most of these skills work hand in hand with others. You might need to have this for you to have that. You might need to do this for you to be able to upsell this other skill. Graphic design is another skill that is in high demand currently. People are still looking for graphic designers. People are still looking for people that would design good banners, good marketing banners, good logos, infographics and all of that, social media posts for them. So you might also want to look at improving your skill in graphic design. Another high demand skill is AI services. As a freelancer, you might need, or you should know how to use AI. You should know how to leverage AI to get a particular result. Right now, a lot of people, a lot of businesses, clients are looking for people that are good with AI for several purposes, maybe for AI applications, AI models, AI music videos, AI fact checking, AI content, editing and all of that. And I keep hearing that AI is going to take my job. AI is going to do this. AI is going to do that. AI can do all that, but AI won't do it on its own. AI needs someone to tell it what to do and how to do it. So people or businesses are looking for that person that can tell the AI what to do and how to do it. So it's either you take advantage of it or you get left out. So it's either you improve your skill set to meet the demand, or you sit and complain. In my videos, in my short form videos, I talk about AI models and all of that. So you can check my short videos and you can see I talk about a lot of AIs. AI services are needed by people, are needed by businesses. You can leverage your skills to assist businesses to implement AI in their business processes, to optimize their process, to improve their customer experience, and also to gain a competitive edge. Because right now, every business is looking at integrating AI to their business to cut down the amount of time and to make their business process efficient. So having AI skills would help you greatly. So in my short videos, I talk about AI, a lot of AI platforms and all of that. So you can look into that. You can look into improving your AI skills, how to use these AIs like ChatGPT, DALL-E and all of that. There are a lot of things you can use ChatGPT for. You can use ChatGPT to build a website. You can use ChatGPT to do a lot of things. If you don't have an idea of coding, I just want to build an app, you can use ChatGPT to build an app for website design, UI, UX, for creating high stunning images, for creating blog posts, content, unlimited. You can get unlimited content ideas from ChatGPT. There are a lot of things, but the question is, how are you using this AI? And there are clients out there that want you to, use this AI for their businesses, to improve their businesses. So it's left for you to learn how to use these AIs. The next one is website design. You might say, this is old, website design is saturated, blah, blah, blah. But the truth is, a lot of businesses are coming up. A lot of businesses need new web apps to be integrated to their website. A lot of businesses need new softwares. And there are still businesses that don't have websites, and it's surprising, but there are a lot of businesses out there that don't have websites. So every day new businesses come up, there are new business ideas, and the businesses that are already established want to update their website. They need to update their website. There are still chances, there are still opportunities to get more clients. Offering your website design service can still give you an edge in this current market. So let's say you have a website design skill, you know how to design a website, and you have graphic design skill. You can see that it complements each other. When you're designing a website, there are some things that you might put on the website that would need the help of a graphic designer to design that piece or that element to be on that website. So let's say you have a skill of graphic designer, it's going to make your work easier. And let's say the client wants you to come up with the content on the website. It will be easy for you to say, okay, I can do this for this amount, or I have a partner that can do this for this amount, and then you still take that part. You still get more money from graphic design while still selling your website design service. So website design doesn't get old. If you're good with HTML, CSS, PHP, Java, and all of that, you can create websites. And there are platforms that you can create websites without coding. You don't need to code or know how to code to do it. Okay, let's say you want to code. There's ChatGPT. There are other platforms or AI platforms that can help you generate codes to build whatever you want to build. And most of the time, businesses might look for, okay, the experts when they want to create a special functionality that doesn't exist. But for all I know, almost all the solutions for website design is online, and you can get it on ChatGPT. ChatGPT can build a website for you, can generate codes for you to use in building a website. And there are other platforms and AI services that can generate code for you that you can use to build any kind of website or web app that you want to build. So let's say a business comes and they want you to integrate a special functionality or a customized functionality on their web app, on their platform. Fine. They might not look for people that are coming up because of the kind of solution they want. They'll go straight to the experts, people that have been in the game for long, that understand the programming skills. So that shouldn't be your problem. If you're thinking about how should I learn all these languages, that shouldn't be your problem. The problem is getting started. Once you get started, all other things will come along. Learning programming skills, understanding. But the first thing you need to do is to understand how to set up these platforms or this website or web apps by just getting started, signing up on a website and trying to do one for yourself. So website design is a skill that is currently in high demand right now. And if you know how to use AI services, it will be easy for you to design a website or design web apps and softwares. It will be very easy for you. So those things work hand in hand, like I said before. For example, a client might want you to integrate Zapier and an AI solution to their platform to automate a particular process. Because you already have skill with AI services, it will be easy for you to build that website and then integrate those things. So like I said before, these skills complement each other, they work with each other, and right now they are currently in high demand. So learning 1, 2, 3 of these skills and getting a deeper understanding, deeper knowledge of these skills would be very, very helpful to you. The next one we have is social media management. I'm tempted to say digital marketing, but I've come to understand that social media management and digital marketing work hand in hand. They are like almost the same thing. Businesses, individuals are looking for social media managers, are looking for people that are good with digital marketing to manage their social media accounts, to create content, to analyze content, to know, okay, which content is working, how can we do this, to run their ads for them, to strategize effective marketing campaigns, and to do all these things that has to do with social media, posting content, looking at what best time to post, okay, what content should I post, or what type of content does this platform need, or what product do you think would work well in this platform, how can I promote this product on this platform. So they need a social media manager to understand all these things and communicate these things to them. So a social media manager is needed in every business. Like, who doesn't want to grow online? Who doesn't want to have that social media presence? Is it businesses, influencer, or what? Every business needs that online presence. Every influencer needs that. Content creators, they need that. And most of these people don't have time to analyze and do all that. So as a social media manager, your job would be to create, to come up with content for them, to give them content ideas, to find out what is working on the different social media platforms, and then relate it to the business or the individual, and then help them grow their online presence. You might also be helping them run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, and all of that. So that is still part of digital marketing. And that's why I said I was tempted to say digital marketing, but right now I can say this last one that is really needed is social media management and a digital marketer. So if you know how to create engaging content, come up with content ideas, you can do this. Like I said before, if you're good with graphic design, if you're skilled at graphic designing, you can also do this properly, because a social media manager, if you're coming up with the content, you might need to like just one go could put up one design maybe for a campaign or for this, and you need to know how to do graphic design to do that. So that's why I say these skills complement each other. So you might want to come up with content ideas or find out what's working. If you're not good with AI, you don't know how to use AI, you will not be fast with doing this. You think too much. So let's say, for example, you're trying to come up with a content idea, or you want to create the content and you need the help of a graphic designer. There's no graphic designer available, and you have the skill of designing some form of banner, logo or marketing campaign banner or something like that. Pop, you have come up with a banner because you have that skill. You can easily create that banner. It's not going to stop you. So it gives you an edge if you have like 2 or 3 of these skills. Or let's say, okay, you have the skills of using AI services to grow social media and all of that. You know how to use AI. You can use that skill to also help your client social media grow. So it will be easy for you to even sell more because you have 2 or 3 of these skills. So you can use AI to create content. You can use it to come up with content ideas, to come up with blog posts, to do a lot of things. So ChatGPT and other AI platforms can help you grow your social media, come up with content ideas, find out what's working. You can do deep research with this AI, and it's going to help you produce or generate content that would be engaging, or content that really tells a story. It'll be easy for you when you have 2 of these skills or 3 of these skills, because they work hand in hand. You cannot just take one and leave others. So if you're trying to just hold one and leave others, you're putting yourself at a loss. So you might need to have some of these skills because they work hand in hand with each other. So using and developing these skills will give you competitive advantage in the marketplace. All these skills I just mentioned can be learned here on YouTube. So you can find how to use some of these skills on this channel, or you can check other YouTube videos to develop all these skills. So I'm not saying you should learn all the skills in one day. No, you're not supposed to do that. Start with one, learn that one, use that one, implement it, and then when you come to a point that you need the help of that skill, or you face a problem and you know this skill would help solve that problem, then you learn how to use that skill. Now you've gotten to skill, and then you move, keep learning, and then boom, you come to a stop where you need another, you need to solve a problem and you need that skill to solve that problem. You learn that skill. So it's not like you just start learning everything at the same time. No, that's not what I'm asking you to do. You have to start implementing one, and then you face a problem, then you find the solution, you will learn how to get that solution. When you learn it, you've gotten the skill, and then you move on, and then you start developing your skill, or start developing that skill. So it's as easy as that. Learn all these skills. It's going to give you a competitive edge in the marketplace, and it's going to help you drive and get more clients as a freelancer. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, turn on the notification, and drop a comment in the comment section if you have tips, if you have questions, or anything you want to ask. If you're a freelancer and you're facing any issue, or you just want to talk about something, drop it in the comment section and I'm going to give you a reply. If you have not liked this video, like this video. Like it seriously, because it's going to help this video reach more people. I will also want you to check out this other video. Cheers.